wondered what small talk is, how we can use it, and how it will help us improve our conversations and communications in English? Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you some techniques and strategies you can use to master small talk and improve your English communication skills. Let's get started. Hello everyone, in this video we're going to explore a topic that's essential for social and professional situations, which is how to master small talk and speak more fluently in English. In this video, I'll provide you with some practical steps and examples to help you become a pro at small talk and improve your English fluency in no time. So step one is start with a warm greeting. The first step to mastering small talk is to begin with a warm greeting. A friendly hello, hi, or hey, followed by the person's name, can set the stage for a pleasant conversation. Just remember to smile and make eye contact to show the person that you're approachable and genuinely interested in talking to them. For example, hi Sarah, how's your day going? This is a more effective way to start a conversation than just hey or how are you. Step two, ask some open-ended questions. So ask open-ended questions to encourage the other person to share more about themselves. Open-ended questions typically start with what, how, why, or tell me about, and they require more than a simple yes or no answer. This will help you keep the conversation flowing and allow you to learn more about the person you're talking to. For example, what do you enjoy doing in your free time? Or how did you get into your line of work? These are much more effective than just simple yes, no questions. The next step, step three, listen actively and show empathy. So one of the most important aspects of mastering small talk is being an active listener. Pay close attention to what the other person is saying and show empathy by nodding, maintaining eye contact, and offering verbal cues like, I see, or that's interesting. This will make the other person feel heard and valued, which can lead to a deeper and more meaningful conversation. Step four, share personal experiences. So as you engage in small talk, don't be afraid to share your own experiences and opinions. This can help create a connection and make the conversation more engaging. Just remember to keep it light and avoid controversial topics that could potentially lead to disagreements or awkwardness. For example, I recently tried a new Thai restaurant downtown and it was amazing. Have you ever tried Thai food? Step 5. Use appropriate body language. Your body language plays a crucial role in how you come across during small talk. Maintaining good posture, making eye contact, and using natural gestures show that you're engaged in the conversation. Also, be mindful of personal space and avoid standing too close or too far away from the other person. Step 6. Practice active listening techniques. So to improve your English fluency during small talk, practice active listening techniques. This includes repeating or paraphrasing what the other person has said to show that you're paying attention and to confirm your understanding. This can also help you pick up new vocabulary and sentence structures too. For example, so you mentioned that you love hiking. What are some of your favorite trails in the area? Step 7, expand your vocabulary. So another key to speaking more fluently in English is expanding your vocabulary. So make an effort to learn new words and phrases regularly and practice using them in your conversations. This will not only help you express yourself more effectively, but also make your small talk more interesting and engaging. For example, I recently learned the word serendipity, which means a fortunate accident or unexpected discovery. I love how it sounds and the positive feeling it conveys. Step 8, practice, practice, practice. So finally, the most important step to mastering small talk and speaking more fluently in English is, of course, practice. The more you engage in conversations, the more comfortable and confident you'll become. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, as they're a natural part of the learning process. Just keep pushing yourself to improve and grow. So to recap, the 8 steps to mastering small talk and speaking more fluently in English are: start with a warm greeting, ask open-ended questions, listen actively and show empathy, Share personal experiences. Use appropriate body language. Practice active listening techniques. Expand your vocabulary, and practice, practice, practice. By following these steps and putting them into practice, you'll be well on your way to becoming a master of small talk and improving your English fluency. So that's it for today's video on mastering small talk and speaking more fluently in English. I hope you found these tips useful. If you enjoyed the video, please do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more great content. If you have any questions or suggestions about learning English, or you'd like to improve your English with me, feel free to get in touch and leave a comment below. See you in the next video.